Alright, this is actually take 2. I just recorded this, or so I thought. I forgot to hit record. I went through the whole entire thing. So here we go. My honey and I were sitting out in the driveway waiting to see if we could see the northern lights. So far we don't see anything. And then a sky full of stars and the moon. But it's a beautiful night. It's a dark night. But here, I'll pan up real quick, and we're not seeing any lights other than the light of the moon. We can see it. It's a beautiful night. But that's what we're up to. Just hanging out, enjoying the evening, and waiting to see what we can see. Staying warm by the fire. Alright, I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. Be safe. And until next time, bye-bye.